Hello everyone, I'm Saptarshi Mukherjee. Hope you all are doing great. This is a bit about myself. I'm a software engineer 3 at Google. I've been a competitive programmer from quite a long time. So I've been to the ACM-ICPC Regionals and some good ranks in the Facebook or Meta Hacker Cup, Master at Codeforces, 6-star at Codechef. I've hailed from IIT Bhilai, having pursued a BTech honors in computer science and engineering. And I've also done research in a few fields like blockchain and edge computing. So yeah, this particular playlist is going to be about this contest, Leetcode Biweekly Contest 123, that happened in the last Saturday. And we are going to discuss these four problems. In this particular video, I'm going to share some short summary on these problems, a brief discussion on the difficulty levels and why this contest actually was a good one. And in the next few videos, I'm going to share an elaborative discussion on these problems selectively. So let's get started. But before that, I'd like to share with you that I've made up my mind to actually make contests on, make discussion videos on the contests that are coming up. This particular video is based on requests from some of you in my previous videos. I was actually focusing on Codeforces. There were some requests to make videos on Leetcode as well. So this is primarily for that. If you like the videos, then please do share your likes, subscribes, and please share with folks who will find this informative. There is a good amount of effort that goes into these videos. So please make sure that you share those likes and subscribes. They mean a lot to me and they will boost me significantly. You can't imagine how much will boost me significantly for making the next videos for all of you. So yeah, prominently, these four problems, none of them are on the difficult side. They are all on the easy side. The first two problems are very easy. So we won't discuss that in separate videos. In this video, I'm going to share a short summary on them. So the first problem is type of triangle 2. You basically have to check what kind of triangle it is. On top of that, just apart from, so the three sides are given, the three sides of triangle are given, and you have to check before everything or after everything that whether it can really form a triangle or not. If it cannot form a triangle, then please, then you basically have to return none. It is not a form of triangle. And how you can check whether it forms a triangle or not? It's already given. So you just have to follow this, and it will be a few if conditions. That's it. So with a few if conditions, checking the inequality of the sides, side lengths, and then the equality of the side lengths for this particular categorization, you can solve this problem very easily using just if statements. So please do it yourself and let me know if you face any doubts. The next problem, also I'll be keeping in the easy category. It's find the number of ways to place people, 1. I would request you to actually read the problem, and it is plain and simple brute force. So there are some points given, and you have to find the number of pairs. So consider every pair and check whether that is valid or not. Just use any approach for that. Consider every pair and check whether that is a valid pair or not, whether you should count that or not. That itself is sufficient. So please try to do this brute force and let me know if you need any help. The next two videos or the next two problems are going to be covered in separate videos. This I will keep in an easy medium category. The reason I'll not keep it in complete medium is because there are some classical problems that are very similar to this. So there are some classical problems on prefix sums and hash maps that are very similar to this. So I'll rather keep it in the easy medium category. And it's based on these topics. If you have not tried, please try once. It's on prefix sum and hash map. And finally, the last problem. It's a good problem. I'll keep it in the medium category. I won't categorize it as hard as it is given. I'd rather categorize it as medium because it's based on simple algorithms. You just have to be careful about things. That's it. And you should be able to do it. So it's based on some techniques like comparator sort, which I have discussed in one of my previous videos. In Codeforces contest, I think problem B, I made a video on that. You can find some discussion on comparator sort. I'll be using the same technique, same template over here. Apart from comparator sort, it's basically a bit of carry forward technique. So how I'm reaching this, how I'm completing the solution, etc. These are the insights you will get from my videos. In the next couple of videos, you will get this detailed explanation on these last two problems. So please watch them and compare against your approaches, and that too should be benefiting you. Before closing this, I would say then, since everything is on the easy side, what is the benefit of this contest? Well, many of your interview problems, interview contests, interviews, pre-interview shortlisting contests, you will actually find that they are all easy problems. You just need to be careful. You will not get any fancy algorithms or data structures. You need to be careful about small things. How do you connect the small pieces? How do you just read the program, the lines of the problem and transform them into the lines of code? That's exactly what these problems will make you richer and more proficient in. So please watch these videos. Instead of discriminating between the easy and the difficult problems, try to see how you can actually absorb every problem, how you can understand every problem to a very good depth. So if you understand every problem, then there is nothing like easy or tough. It's just about connecting the pieces and your time. So yeah, see you all in the next videos, and stay tuned. Do share with people, and yeah, all the best.